Hi, this is Janet. Try it like it, create it. And I want to show you a quick way to make a thanks card when you just really need to write a note to someone to say thank you. This is a cute, quick, and easy, simple card. And so the items that you're going to need are a pair of scissors, 2 coordinating colors of ink, of course, a stamp that says thanks, a piece of paper that coordinates with your ink, and then a piece of cardstock and a tape runner. Now the cardstock that I'm using, you can use any size, but what I'm using here today is, let's see, 4 1/4 by 6 1/2 to give you an idea of how I'm going to make this card. Now I am going to ink blend right on my stamp, so I'm putting the dark ink on the left side of my stamp over to the N, and the N is going to be where the ink transitions. And so now I am going to ink up the right side, and then I'm going to stamp this down in the corner of my cardstock. And there we have it. So then I'm going to take my coordinating piece of paper here, and I'm going to run the tape runner right along that top edge, and then I'm going to take that, and if there's anything folding over with the adhesive, you can just fold it back on itself. And I'm going to take that and line it up at the bottom of the card. So just a little bit of that color sticks out at the bottom. Now, if yours is off a little bit, you can cut it off here with the scissors. And then the next thing we're going to do is just fold this over. So we're going to line up that purple edge with the white cardstock and give it a nice crease. And there you have a very simple, quick, and easy thank you card.